Hi, now we will study how plants reproduce. Okay. Reproduction, it is the ability of living thing to continue its existence. Plants reproduce or reproduce in two ways. Okay, these are sexually, and the second one is asexually. Okay. There are some plants that reproduce using their parts like roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. A complete flower has receptacle, sepals, petals, stamen, and for stamen we have two parts. These are the filament and the anther. And the next is pistil. Now, pistil also has different parts. These are the stigma and stem. Some plants reproduce asexually by means of pollination. Now, pollination, it is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower. It can be self-pollination or cross-pollination. In self-pollination, the pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. Now, in cross pollination, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of another flower. There are agents of pollination. These are three: wind, insects, and birds. You have to remember that flowers with both the stamen and pistil are called complete flowers, while flowers with only one stamen or one pistil, it is called incomplete flower. Other plants reproduce asexually through their stem and roots. It is like vegetative propagation. Now, this kind of propagation is formed asexually, where new plants are reproduced from one part of a parent plant. New plants can grow from roots, stems, and leaves of their own parent plant. Now, there are also plants that grow from cuttings. Examples of these are rose plant, bougainvillea, sugar cane. Some plants grow underground, and new plants can grow. These are bulb, rhizome, corn, tuber, stolons or runners. Plants that grow from leaves of another plant. Examples are these. Okay, thank you for listening.